How to buy Ethereum Classic on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ethereum Classic in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app. Now let's wait a few seconds. Let's just wait. After it get in, now we go to the watch list down below, and after that we search for the Ethereum Classic here, and here is it. Click on it and then click on trade. Choose the amount of money that you want to invest and click open trade, and after that choose your payment method and then click on deposit, and everything will be done in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.